Every day you put your hands on your steering wheel to control your car, and let's face it, some days you have a little more on your hands than you should. Whether it's a mess from food, the kids, or germs from an up-and-coming cold, there's a lot on your hands. It's time to apply a quality steering wheel cleaner. Some faux leather steering wheels may begin to feel sticky over time, another sign that a good cleaning is necessary. The best steering wheel cleaner for your needs depends on the material of your car's steering wheel as well as how much time and energy you want to put into the cleaning process. 1. Chemical Guys SPI-22016. This Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner is a versatile cleaning product that makes steering wheel cleaning a breeze. It is suitable for a number of surfaces, including leather, vinyl, plastic, carpet, cloth, glass, and even wood. With just a microfiber cloth, all you have to do is simply mist the product on, and wipe it off to reveal a restored, clean surface. Chemical Guys took off the haze and restored the shine in everything. Every stain off the carpet, the leather seats, the dashboard, the entertainment center and touch screen, the synthetic steering wheel, and every knob and button without any streaks or discoloration. 2. CarGuys Super Cleaner. The CarGuys Super Cleaner is another great option for cleaning up a car's interior. Suitable for use on a number of different surfaces including faux leather, vinyl, real leather, and plastic. This cleaner also comes with a reusable microfiber towel that, in unison with the spray, will restore your weary steering wheel to as good as new condition. The bonus is that it's also a solid all-around interior cleaner, which saves money and shelf space. Users say it cleans deep stains and dirt and praise its easy use. 3. Adams Leather Care Kit. Leather steering wheels need special care, so a product specifically formulated for leather is the right way to go. Adams Leather Care Kit includes not just a leather cleaner, but a leather conditioner that keeps the wheel soft and supple and help prevent cracks and tears. The conditioner also includes UV protection, which is important since the steering wheel gets direct sunlight through the windshield and driver's door window. Users also say the smell is pleasant, like quality leather itself. 4. Chemical Guys SPI-103-16. Chemical Guys makes a ton of great car cleaning and detailing products, so it's not all that surprising to see that they have multiple options to choose from on our list. This spray is specifically for leather surfaces, and leather is a common material for steering wheels. Even better, this single spray both cleans and conditions leather, saving you time and money compared to getting multiple sprays. 5. Turtle Wax Interior Cleaner. The Turtle Wax Interior Cleaner is ideal for cleaning plastic or vinyl surfaces and great for steering wheels that most cheaper cars usually come equipped with. Its formula contains natural enzymes which gently remove stains and unpleasant odors whilst keeping the surface protected. The best part about this is it can clean almost all surfaces in the car, so you do not need to switch to different products when cleaning and detailing the interior of the car. 6. Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. This product can be used on leather, plastic, fabric, and other surfaces. Thanks to Meguiar Inside, you can achieve complete elimination of oil, dirt, sweat, greasy stains, and grease. The cleaner is harmless to the structure of the skin and does not cause changes in the shade of the material. Maintaining elasticity, resilience, wear resistance and attractive appearance of the treated surface is observed. The degree of foaming is high. Meguiar's G16216 Ultimate Interior Detailer contains superior UV protection that keeps the interior looking better and longer.